Hey guys, and welcome back. So today is the shoot day and I have just picked the cake. So here is a lovely baby and I'm literally carrying it like a baby just in case ye gir nahi jaye. I was so scared and I am rushing home because it's a very hot day and I don't want my cake to melt. Running some last minute errands. I'm here at Red Dollar store to buy the helium balloons. So hey guys, so I have got the helium balloons. They are in my car's boot. If you can see them back there, the most difficult job was to actually get them into the boot of the car, and I really took like literally 2-3 minutes to figure it out how to do that, but it wasn't that bad. But anyways, it's all done and now I am all set for the photo shoot. I am so thirsty, my lips are drying out, but I am excited. દૂરી જેવું છે નહીં ઉડશે પકડો ખોલો દૂરી પકડી લો હા 20 છે 20 હા હા એ એક જ ગાંઠ છે વાવ look at that. Woohoo. So guys, we're done with the first photo shoot which was indoors, and we couldn't do it completely, so we're gonna continue with part 2 in the evening and then the outdoor photo shoot. And right now Khushank is very sleepy, so he's sleeping, and Dhyani and I, we are playing besties. Dhyanu, tu kaun che mari bestie? Kai bestie friend kaun? Bestie friend. So we play this bestie friend every morning while swinging Khushank. So we'll just sit on. Ma'am ne bolu chu beta. We'll just sit here and then we'll play bestie. Bol to Dhyanu. Bestie. तुम्हारो bestie दिखु छे, bestie friend छे, friend. Mimi कौन छे तारी? Friend. Friend. So guys, we are all set for the outdoor photo shoot. Let's go, Diana. Let's go.
नहीं भारी लागतो. Oh my बच्ची. Google light. Happy birthday to Khushu Bayu. અને જો અંદર શું છે તારી માટે ગિફ્ટ. પાડ શું છે જો. શું છે અંદર તારી માટે? Hey Gugu. Am I પૂછું? Nice. Yes. ગુગુ ને તોડાવ. હાય ગુગુ, જો તારી માટે શું લાયા છો? ગુગુ ને ખાડવા દે દીકરા.
એને ગુગુને ન ખબર પડે, ભલે ના ફાડતી.
હા, જો અહીંયા જો. ત્યાં તરસ કુકર ખોલી આપું તને. Taruh skuter. Ya, ya. Keવું છે?
Ready hશે. Yay! Gugu chase up. Hi guys, so our photo shoot is done and I am so glad we finished it all on day 2 in the morning because look at the weather now. It started to rain and we knew the weather beforehand, but how accurate it is. I am so glad we did it yesterday and whatever was left this morning. So, but I have a huge mess to clean up at home. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and I hope you have enjoyed my vlog and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.